What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here, man, bringing y'all another video. Appreciate y'all for watching this video here. Hey, man, look, check out the artwork, man. I just put up some art on my little office desk area here, and I love it, man. I love it. So anyways, today's gonna be a vlog style of video. I'm just gonna go ahead and just detail, of course, just take you guys along with me. I have about 3 maintenance cars to do. I don't know if we have a Ferrari. We might have a Ferrari or a Corvette. Either way, still a nice car, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. We have a Denali big body. We're gonna go ahead and do a maintenance on that one, and then we have a Kia Soul, I believe. So gonna go ahead and knock out these 3 cars. Try to keep the energy high. Grab a Monster from right here, man. Yes, sir. Grab a Monster, cause not gonna lie to you guys, I came back from the gym and I'm feeling a little exhausted, you know. So anyways, enough about that. We made some small changes to our detail van. Now, this is not the complete and official setup, right? So this is just some that I had to make some tweaks just because the wood and stuff was starting to be on his last leg. So I asked Tony from Riders Details if he could help me out, you know, and do whatever he can or whatever he thinks could be more beneficial to me at the moment. Tony went ahead and let me borrow his generator because mine's after, you know, to catch on fire. I don't have a video of that, unfortunately, but my generator caught on fire. It was my first time using a fire extinguisher, you guys. So, you know, we had some stuff plugged into it, and thankfully none of the equipment did get messed up or, you know, caught on fire as well. But yeah, it was kind of scary. So, but thankfully Tony let us borrow his. So big shout out to him, man, because he saved my life. I had to turn down jobs and stuff all last week just because I didn't have the mobile setup. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, man, gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. I'm gonna show you guys the small tweaks we made to the van. There goes our beautiful Transit Connect. She's looking nice and pretty. All right, now this is the biggest game changer right here. This is the generator he let me borrow for the meantime. And we have our spray bottles there, a little cart, and our sign. But this is a slide out. So you guys will see once I get to the job site, I can slide this generator out and not have to worry about taking or picking it up and moving it and stuff like that. So very, very, very grateful and thankful that he let me, you know, borrow this generator and slide out, because that's going to be a game changer for me. All I have to do is just plug stuff in there and slide it out and we'll be ready to go. So big shouts out to Tony, man. So let's go ahead and head off to the client, you guys, and let's get started with the day. Let's use the setup for the first time. And just like that, we are at our first client here, you guys. So this is a maintenance detail. Pretty much going to be focused on the outside majority of the detail here. The interior is not in any bad shape or anything like that. This client is very, very good with keeping up with their vehicle. So just a little bit of dirt and stuff like that. So I have my compressor, my small amount of super clean and VRP mix here, and water, and then I have a towel. So I'm not going to be using any brushes or anything like that. It's just going to be a wipe down. So literally just spray it on our towels, give the wipe down, and I'm going to compress, but it's going to get loud, so I'm going to just probably mute that part of the video. All right, so same thing for the doors. They're not bad at all. So I don't want to get too much product everywhere. So I'm gonna just spray on my towel. That way I don't have to keep following up with the compressor and missing the water and stuff like that. hopefully you guys can see me. But since these floor mats aren't that bad, I don't want to go ahead and pressure wash them and all that stuff. So I'm just go ahead and spray my product that I use for the interior, drill them, give them a wipe down, use the compressor, and after I vacuum, I'll put them back in the vehicle. Just to save a little bit of time here. All right, so now we're ready for the vacuum. This is the first time using this reel. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. I got stuff in the way, man. Hold on. So let's go ahead and get started. And if you're wondering how many feet of vacuum I have, I currently have 30 feet. I want to upgrade to like 50, of course. That's ideal. But yeah, so we're running with 30 for now, and then we'll just go ahead and upgrade later on for 50 feet. All right, you guys, so we are all completely finished with this maintenance detail. Time is currently 11:15, and this soap and stuff will dry up. I usually try to wash it first, but being that the interior wasn't bad, I just went ahead and knocked it out. You guys saw. So here's the finished detail. The client actually took the keys in, gave me payment already, so I can't open the inside for you guys, but yeah, you guys saw the condition. It wasn't bad. So we're gonna head off to the next one, eat lunch real quick, use the bathroom, and then we'll head off to the next car, which I have no idea what it is yet, because this client is always switching cars, man. So catch you guys when we get there. Let's go.